All right, guys, what's up? So this isn't anything formal. This isn't, an analysis session or anything like that. It's just, I just really want to go over for just a minute or two this setup on the dollar index and just kind of follow through with what I posted earlier about expecting the sell on the dollar. So earlier inside of Telegram, guys, I posted this chart right here of the dollar index saying that I am expecting downside on the dollar index this weekend or this week. And really the main reason I'm making this quick video is so like you guys, I'm really excited so you guys can hear and see how excited I am about these opportunities. I talk about, not every single day or every single week is there going to be these perfect trading conditions, but right now this week, I think we can really take advantage of these conditions. So for those of you that know what you're looking at, it should be pretty simple and self-explanatory. The dollar index looks very, very weak right now. We can see that this recent rally we've had the past couple months on the dollar has definitely seen a top in some resistance at a previous resistance area. And then more importantly, just the way and the price action of the weekly candles. These specifically, last week's, the week before last, and the week before that's candles. These three candles, how bearish they are after such a bullish run. So we're definitely going to be seeing some exhaustion on the dollar, and I think that downside is prominent. So yeah, that's just the main thing that I want to go over, guys, is that. But just a couple setups to just point out. I don't normally share this super publicly, but we're going to share it with you guys so you guys can see some transparency. I'm just going to share my whole desktop, and we're going to flick on over to MetaTrader 4 real quick. I'm just going to show you guys, this is a live trade. You can see at the top of the chart or at the top of the screen, this is a pro live account with FX Choice, and we can see it. This is the live charts running right now. This is a trade that we placed just right when the market's open. So I'll tell you guys, if you're connected to my free trade copier or you're a part of Positive Traders in the signal group, this is a signal that was given out. Also, it was taken on all the trade copiers. So if you're on the trade copier, you open up your terminal right now, you'll see this trade is in your account as well. But we are on a risk-free trade with floating at about $3,000 in profit. My final take profit is all the way up here. Now, this is a large take profit. We're probably going to find opportunities to compound this trade, but my take profit is at $13.60. You'll notice that some of you guys might not think that there's a stop loss, but the stop loss is at the entry. So you'll notice there is a stop loss right here, 12.56. This trade just went so well in our favor right away that we had I was able to set the stop loss at break even. So there's zero risk with this trade right now, which is nice. Initially, my stop loss was right here. So just a little bit below this area. So we are risking 2% to make 35%. If this trade hits my final take profit, it'll make me about like 35 grand or so, which is about a 35 or 36 grand, which is about a 35% increase on a $104,000 account. So just to show you guys live trades, this is I'm very confident in the dollar index falling. So, just the dollar index looks so nice on the weekly. Very, very nice bearish engulfing candle coming. So yeah, guys, if I just flick back over to the trading view, you can see there's just major resistance on the dollar index. It just looks very, very nice for selling right now. So among those, just look for selling the dollar index. Look for buying gold, just major nice support off of the trend line right here. Be looking for pretty much like buys on AUD/USD. Very nice exhaustion candles on AUD/USD to the downside. They look like the opposite of the dollar index. Very nice exhaustion candle on NZD/USD last week. Also very supportive of still respecting this support area. So that's the main thing, guys. Watch for that, okay? Sheldon says, been waiting on this trade. Awesome, Sheldon. I'm glad that you've been waiting on this trade. So, guys, seriously, I'm just so passionate about this because, guys, you have to understand the gravity of this single trade. You see this right here. This is the trade that we entered, right? A 2% risk. It's a 17.42. If you guys see this right here, you guys see this on my screen, right where my cursor is. Risk reward ratio, 17.42. that means that we're risking 2%. If you're risking 2, it means whatever you're risking, whatever percentage you're risking, multiply that by 17.42. So if you're risking 2%, 2 times 17.42. So you're risking 2% to make 35%. And 35% gain on one individual trade is huge. Like, I mean, you guys, like some people's 401k IRA retirement accounts aren't even doing, you know, a third of that in a year. And we're talking about making, you know, triple, quadruple what a retirement or investment account can make in a year in a matter of a couple weeks of this trade following through. So it's a huge deal, guys, huge opportunity. So this is just one opportunity. I think this whole week Euro USD is going to go up. Pound dollar is probably going to keep going up. USD JAPI should go down. AUD USD should go up. NZD USD should go up. USD CAD, we're probably going to see downside on USD CAD. And that's just among some other pairs. So I don't want to draw this on any longer, guys. Just want to keep it simple and to the point. And for, yeah, Sheldon, you make a really good point. For those who aren't in yet, wait for the correction. It's not going to go up in a straight line, guys. If you're watching this and don't buy gold right now. If you aren't connected to the trade copy or you aren't in the signal channel, you didn't get in when we bought at 12.55 down here, you need to wait for a correction or some sort of just a correction, simple as that, some sort of correction before it's probably not just going to go whoop straight up, right? It might go up a little bit more and then correct a little bit and then go back up and then go back to it could, I mean, I don't know exactly how high it's going to go, the extension length before the pullbacks, but there definitely will be waves created on this. So take advantage of this, guys. This video is longer than I wanted it to be, but if you got to this point, I appreciate you guys' support and have a great rest of your trading week. Those of you guys that are in the premium group, I'll see you guys a little bit later today for the normal live trading webinar. So peace out, guys. Take care.